My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I hate my haircut. It was just, my wife wanted me to cut it so short. I look terrible. Anyway, I've worked thousands of IRS cases as a former revenue officer. And yeah, if you need any tax advice, let me know. I'm available for representation. You can just email me or text me your question. I try to get back to most of them. Like I said, I worked for IRS 10 years, so I've worked thousands of IRS cases. So today I want to talk to you about how to file your last 6 years. Why do you say, well, why do I want 6 years? Well, that's what the law really requires. You know, there's a lot of people will con you. You'll call them and you say, hey, I haven't filed in 10 years, 8 years. You only have to file the last 6. You don't have to believe me anything I say. Look at the IRS policy statement handbook. IRS, yes, has policy statements for certain things. And this policy statement is 5-133. Look it up yourself. You only have to file the last 6 years, and that's it. So how do you go about that? Well, first of all, you always want to pull an IRS transcript all the time. You want to work off the official record. Sometimes IRS may have filed a tax return for you. You don't know that. So you want to work with that. Your record doesn't make any difference. You can do that yourself. Just go to irs.gov and pull up your transcripts. You got wage and income, record of account, your tax return. There's 4 different transcripts that you can get. Well, actually 5, but the record of account gives you a summary of everything you want. So what I do, what our team does, is we start first with the W-2s and 1099, so we have a basis of what income that IRS has already have for you, and then from there we build out your case. We find out, gee, what kind of income did you make? We have forms. Most people say I don't have the records. We understand that. We've been doing this I've been doing this for 42 years in private practice, so don't worry. What we do is we get a good working statement from you about how much you think you earned, what things you did for a living. There's 9 IRS approved national standard for expenses. So if you don't have all your expenses, don't worry about them. We can reconstruct those. And the nice thing about us, we can settle your debt at the same time. That's what I did for a living at IRS. So I have a team that does tax preparation, and then we work out the offers and compromise and settlements. Anyway, don't get too alarmed. It's easy to file, but remember, start with the IRS transcript and then build your case out from there. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your time. Give me a subscription if I like your idea. I'll probably make a YouTube. About 4,000 of my YouTubes came from your ideas. Thank you.